Good morning, everybody. Here's a quick reminder on how to use speech marks for when you write your story and hopefully include some direct speech in it. So, what are speech marks? They look like this. You might remember them being called 66 and 99 because they look like those numbers. When you see them in text, you can tell that somebody is speaking. When we use speech marks, they go around the actual words that somebody is speaking. They go at the beginning when they start to speak and at the end when they stop speaking. So, for example, "Get to bed," Mum shouted. "I will not tolerate such bad behaviour." So the spoken words there are "get to bed," and you can see we've got the speech marks at the beginning and at the end. And also, if you look at those speech marks and the words there, "get to bed," you can see that the exclamation mark comes before you put the speech marks in to finish the speech, the 99s in other words. Another example, "Can I have a drink, please?" the little girl asked. So again, the question mark comes before, it comes inside of the speech marks at the end of the sentence. You also need to remember to begin all new speech with a capital letter, just like you're starting a new sentence. So for example, Mark was amazed. You'll notice there's a comma there. And then the speech. What on earth can it be? So there you can see in red a capital letter, even though we've got a comma before it. It's different when we're using direct speech. "Let's get out of here," replied William. Again, you can see that the word "let's" in the beginning of the speech sentence is a capital letter. Sometimes what someone is saying can be interrupted by the author. For example, "If you think you can speak to me like that," Dad said firmly, "you better think again." The speaker, who is Dad, actually only says one sentence, even though it is interrupted with "Dad said firmly." There is no need to use a capital letter when the sentence continues. So have a look at that sentence. It's one sentence, but in the middle of it, Dad is saying, "Dad said firmly." That's interrupted. It's continuous speech. It's the same person talking. So to summarise there, speech marks go at the beginning and end of the words someone speaks. The first word inside the speech mark always has a capital letter unless it is continuous speech. So have a go at these. Correctly punctuate these sentences. Remember to use speech marks. So try to put the speech marks in the correct place, and then if you can, try to put the correct punctuation, whether that's a question mark, an exclamation mark, a full stop, or a comma. Once you've done that, on the next page, there are the answers, but please try to do them before you have a look at the answers. That's the end. Thank you, everybody. Good luck with your writing and try to include some direct speech.